I'm going to use Kate Wolf's soldering clay for support while fusing. I want to make sure that the entire back has support, so I put the clay across the entire back. And wipe off any excess on the surface because I want the surface clean for fusing. Coat the base sheet evenly with flux. Now coat the wire and place it on the base sheet where you want it to fuse down. It will take quite a large flame to heat this up. The clay will work as a heat sink, so just continue with this hot flame to heat it evenly all the way around. You can see it's even taking a while for the flux to start to turn brown. Just keep heating it evenly. The flame turns orange as the metal heats up. I can tell by the color of the flame that it's getting closer to the fusing temperature, but it still needs to get hotter yet before it really is ready to fuse. So I keep moving the flame around the piece to get it up to where it is closer to the fusing temperature. I'm watching for it to turn to a brighter orange, but it's getting close. Okay, here comes the brighter orange, and I keep the piece engulfed in the flame. I don't want to take the torch away. I don't want it to go from hot to cold to hot to cold. I want to keep it hot and get it hotter, so it's hot to hotter. As I feather that flame in and out, and here comes the wet look. There it is. I continue to fuse all the way around, working from one section to the next until I see this wire work lay down. I'm looking for areas that may not have fused, because it's easy to go back into that area very quickly while it's this hot and get it to fuse down. I'm watching for those dancing water droplets, and I'm watching under the wires to make sure that everything flows. The piece held its shape because it was supported by the clay. You can see the one edge that slumped over where there was no clay to support it. Let it cool and check your seam before removing the clay. The clay is simple to remove and can be used again by reconstituting with water.